Pro tip, if it's sounding whack, just change it a little bit until it doesn't sound whack. I kind of want to try it as eighth notes too. I know I'm spending a lot of time messing around with this thing here, which I probably shouldn't do. If I'm trying to do a track challenge, I probably should just power through these kind of things, but I don't really want to move on unless I like it, and I don't know, these guys wanted me to do something track challenge, so I'm going to put echo on here. And then I'm going to write a chord progression over the top. So we could actually do the chord progression, I think, with ColorFlex too, but I'm going to be a little bit more, I think, intentional about it. So what I would usually do with a chord progression is just start off with some form of harmony. And we don't necessarily have to use electric. Maybe we could use something like Zebra 2. Turn the delay off. So let's just do some octaves to begin. And then embellish the chords and make them a bit more interesting.